Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I will show you how timer data shows on HMI, means timer value, how we can make set point from timer on the HMI, and how can change the data of the timer. Firstly we will go to the online diagnostic and accessible devices. Because of if we set the data of timing directly from software, this will not possible to continuously change. If you like to change time, hour basis, daily basis, or depends on at project, yani which work we are doing, how much time we need. Some machines we need but change the time at the screen, and that's how we use. I will tell you now. Program blocks. May not be. So if it takes little time, and that's we have to go in online and diagnostic. Not this, understand this is already online. Because of this program is already erased, I have to make this. CPU is already running, but not possible. We will make that a new project. TP timer. TP timer timer. Use as a different name. TP timer. W shows HMI. Now it's creating a new project. And then we go to the add new device. Not this one, not S7-1200 CPU. And which CPU I have? That 15C DC relay, and make it okay. Now this we go and go to the main OB, because later on we will do any timer or any program when like to execute. We need some bit, yani I take I 0.0 0.0, and here I use my timer. This is go to the timer operations, and this is my TP timer, and here I put 1. I use my 1 output Q0.0, and here I put 3 seconds time, I give the 3-second time, and here I use data register 1 for showing the pass time MD0 MD0, and this I will download to the PLC. Start search. The following editor will be closed because the block main UB the CPU was changed or deleted. Okay boss, next time research we use this PLC that load. Now this is loading. Continue use, no action, stop all, load. Because of when first time you are loaded the program, this must be first old program arrays. This is why making mistakes, but no problem. Next we will be careful. See now it's when I make it my I0.0 give signal, and output Q0.0 will be on, and after is how much time we put, 3 seconds after this will be off. See, it's okay. Now if we need to see this time, set this time like to be set from HMI, what we will do, we will take one branch here from, and I will use here one more timer, this same TP timer, and this I use also here one coil. Same also can be put, but if we put it here, this is better. And I put this one Q0.1, and here I put one data register to make set point MD10 I will use to this MD10. What is this MD10? Later on I will explain you. These are the data registers to show data at HMI, and here I will show LPAS time MD20. These two data registers. So we will make delete. In this program I will make it download to the PLC. And see here how we show this data from HMI. This input I gives the process time 3 seconds for continuously. This time in simulation when program is running, this time you cannot change. But this time when I make it on, see our program is now executing, simulation is on. When I give signal to the I0.0, this Q0.0 will be on, and after his adjustable time at 3 seconds, this will be off. But instead of this timer, this is the same timer, this is also TP timer, this is also pulse alternate timer. Here I put one data register MD10. Here I change this time, can be modified from here. Because of this data I will take at the HMI, and we will make set point from there. For example, I will put there here 4000. This 4000 is look like 4 milliseconds. 4 milliseconds. And this I don't need to stop and next download to the PLC. This is one time we will add and finish it. And see, now I give the signal. This output will be on after 3 seconds, and this output is on after 4 seconds. 1 second have difference. This is 4 seconds. And if I need this data register, for example, this I in this process running, our power supply will be gone, and after you see, and next when it's on, yes, time will goes to the 0, but this time is still permanently on. This problem, how we can solve this problem is with coming this data register system. This data register is what? This is the normal data register. When we use the latch data registers, after this data register will be no leave the value. See, this is 3000. For example, I put this one at I put it here 5000. This is 5 milliseconds. This I can set here and when make execution. This is 3 seconds after off, and this is 5 seconds after off. And if I use here 3 seconds modifications, I will put 3000. But now this time will be same, yani when we execution makes, this Q0.0 will be 3 seconds after off, and this Q0.1 will be 3 seconds after off. Same, yani see this one. This also 3 seconds, this also 3 seconds. But this data you can change from here, from laptop or from HMI. But this data you can't change. If this data you like to change, you have to stop the simulation, and after you go to this area and you put 4 seconds. When you put 4 seconds, and after you have to go download and then load. This also you can say this data timer, TP timer, pulse timer, only fixed timer, yani. And if you used with this with the data register, this time will be can be changed, and this data you will take it from HMI. See, this is the 4 seconds, and this is now 3 seconds. When we make it on, this first stop, and this will be later on stop. And this when power supply go, and this data register leaves the data. This is the problem for what? Because of this data register is not any latched. Inshallah will be next video. We will discuss about that data registers kinds, how much data registers are locally, how much data registers, how much range can be stored. This is stored this range, and this is not latched data register. Some data registers are local, some data registers are latched data registers. This lecture is only for this only showing time, how to show the time from HMI. When you this data register take at the HMI, this is your LPAS time shows you to on the HMI, and this data register is set point, yani how much time you needs after execution finish the your anything motor or whatever you use, any Q0.0, Q0.1. This also you can this same like data register, but how can first you stop this one simulation and you go to go to this area, and here you put MD25. MD25 when you put, after you make it download, finish, and these two data registers, now you can change the time from here. See this data registers, when you put the time, no sorry, first make it simulation on, after you will put the timer and make it PLC in run condition, and this modified, this here you put 3000 means 3 milliseconds, and here you put 5000, this means 5 milliseconds, and when you make it execution, this first data register will be 3 seconds after on, and second data register will be 5 seconds after on. So I hope guys you understand about this pulse net timer. If you have any question or complete not understand, you can send me email and I will try to give feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.